What happens when you pit two of the world's most powerful AIs against each other? Today we're finding out. I'm gonna ask both ChatGPT and Gemini with the exact same prompt to create a top-down shooter from scratch. Let's see which AI builds the better game. Alright, let's start with Gemini and let's switch to thinking, because that will give us a much better result. And actually I already have a prompt ready. So it reads, create a top-down desert shooter. The player, a soldier, moves with arrow keys and shoots in the facing direction with spacebar. Enemy tanks shoot slow projectiles at the player. Include destructible rock obstacles and occasional health pack drops from enemies. Add shooting, explosion sound effects and particle effects for hits, destruction and pickups. And then use some directions for the graphics. And pro tip, in the end, always write, put everything in a standalone HTML file so you don't have to worry about running the code on your own. And then always click canvas when you want to create games like this. So let's see what Gemini got for us. It's working very fast. God damn. In a few seconds it's already written all this. So in terms of speed, Gemini seems to be really good. Alright, let's try Desert Strike by Gemini. So let's deploy. Okay, so we move with arrow keys and wow, they spawn fast. They spawn really fast. God damn. No health pack so far either. How am I... It seems like it might be too hard, but I'll try again. And I promise you, I'm not just bad, it really is hard. Like, I'm not an IGN reviewer, I'm not that bad at games. Okay, they just shoot so fast and they spawn in like 5 million at the same time. Okay, I'll try one more time. Yeah, we can destroy the rocks, that's good. So everything works. It's just the difficulty. The difficulty is just very overwhelming. So let's just try to tweak that a little bit. Let's just say the game is too hard and see if it can fix it on its own. Okay, so reduced enemy fire rate, that was a big problem. And improved health, slower enemies. It looks promising. Okay, it's done now, so let's open the game again and see if it's any easier. And yeah, the enemies seem much slower and we got a health pack right away. Let me try one more time. But I mean, like, the game is playable now, like you can see. I just need a health pack right now. There it is. So overall, I would say, like, this is a playable game. It's still really hard, as you can see. The movement is a bit clunky, but like overall, for creating it in such a short amount of time, it's still a really good game. So let's see if ChatGPT can match this. Okay, we're here at ChatGPT. Let's give it the same prompt and let's put it on canvas as well. And let's see if ChatGPT can give us anything good. So right off the bat, it's slower than Gemini, but you can't really complain. It's still really quick. Okay, I might have to take that back. It's actually significantly slower, but let's hope the result will make up for it. Let's preview. Okay, these sounds are really bad, so I'm gonna have to turn them off. As you can see, I have minus 600 health, but I'm not dying. There's no like game over screen. The graphics are not good at all, and the enemies aren't moving either. I can move towards them and shoot them. Yeah, they drop health points, so that's working. Can I destroy the rocks? Yeah, I can. There's like no breaking animation or anything. And I had to mute the sound because it was so bad. And yeah, the biggest problem is that I literally can't die. This looks really weird. So, well, I'll ask you to fix all of these things. Okay, so I told about the problems and let's see if it can fix it. So it claims to have fixed it. Let's see if it's telling the truth or if it's lying to us. Yeah, the graphics still suck, but at least the enemies are moving towards us now. And we can shoot them. So the game over screen actually works now. So let me try and survive as long as possible. And I have to refresh the whole thing to start again. In Gemini, I could just click deploy. So that's a minus. Okay, so let's shoot that guy. Dodge the bullet. Get these guys. Go toward the health pack. Might need that. All in all, this one is easier than Gemini's. But Gemini obviously had a much better graphics and sound. The sound for this one was just cancer. Well, I think we can all agree that Gemini won this one. Let me know in the comments which game you want me to force these poor AIs to create next. Thanks for watching. Peace.